Good morning, Saints, Aints, party people, Wagwan. You know how you wake up sometimes in the vibes of just ditching everything that you were doing before and do something different. That's what I feel. I got lots of vlog footage. We coming in hot, but I don't want to show that vlog footage. But if y'all comment below and say that y'all want to see that vlog footage from like 2 weeks ago, then I will post it. But today I think we're doing a day in the life. So y'all gonna get this vlog first, most definitely. We in August, baby, and I feel good about August. So first things on the agenda, let's go find something good to eat. All right, we in this bitch. I done changed out, baby. Thank you. Please, thank you. Change this menu, baby. This way I have salmon. I think I'm gonna get you. Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Usually I have a rule about not drinking water in Orlando, the city. It's okay. Good. Hot. Ooh, that's hot. Thank you. I'm done. I don't think I'm gonna do a to-go plate. I kind of want the rest of this omelet, but of course I waste something right there. I do. Never giving up for you. You don't wanna lose it again. 'Cause I'm not like you. Even if I finally somebody, guess what? It's gonna be me. Y'all know about that. Belly full, belly tight, belly clean. Comment below if you know what song I'm spoofing. All right, I'm full. Got a little to-go box. Yeah. Where are we off to next, baby girl? Oh. Okay, I think I'm gonna head back to my side of town and put these shades on. Cause it's bright out here, baby. There we go. Incognito, baby. You gotta put your car in reverse, baby, to go in reverse. Ooh. And turn your wheel, cause your tires is not straight. So you can back straight out, baby girl. No, the food was good and they were nice. My server. All right, so I don't know what the next stop in this vlog is. Vlog. But I'm in a good vibe today. Look at that. No traffic for you, girl. She can turn straight out. Maybe I'll give y'all some driving footage. Cause I like to watch other people's driving footage. So I get on the highway, I'll turn the camera back on so y'all can see Old Town in its glory. All right, y'all. Let's chit chat a little later once I head back to the house. Take it to the house. We don't play. MIA. This the way we to the house. Take it to the house. 305. Yo, we got that fire. Listen, Florida shit. If you don't know, now you know, baby. Especially South Florida shit. Take it to the house. Take it to the house. Hey. Get 2 bottles of Chris. Get drunk, pissing while you listen to this. That's TWD. Y'all know about Trick Daddy. All right. Go back in my vlog to when I went to the Trick Daddy and Trina concert. I'll put a little clip right here.
What? Hey, put your hands up. 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 And go sing that shit. You know that nigga. Who fall off in the club? Say what? To the show for love. Hey, fall off for the sun. You know that nigga. Who know more niggas than me? Who do more skills than me? Who way more dope than me, bitch? You know that nigga. No. Let me see. This guy rich. I make a broke bitch rich. I make a broke bitch rich. He's rich. These hoes ain't loyal. These hoes ain't loyal. These hoes ain't loyal.
All right, so we back. Don't mind me melting. It's hot outside. I'm actually about to test drive this car. This is a, what did he say this was? TRD. This the off-road Toyota TRD. This is a 2020. Let me show y'all a little bit. So he going to get the keys so I can test drive it. Let's see, child. You know, when I be under the vibes to do certain things, I just go with it. Let me see what this paperwork say while he waiting, while I'm waiting. Oh no, this is a 4Runner. What does a TRD mean, then? It's used. 2 previous owners. How many miles on him? 49,000 miles. Not bad. Oh, TRD is the, I guess, the brand. Oh, this for off-roading. Child. So they had 2 owners. Eso me campiña. Drift. We're gonna see how I drive. I like how I feel with me in here right now. Let me tell you something though. It's high to get up in this car. What Child, I don't see the doggone pedal. Oh, I gotta move up some. Let me move this car some chips. Okay, the steering wheel is all the way up. Let me see if I can put my phone up here. Okay. Let's see what this seatbelt talking about. Because you know the seatbelt can make the difference. Okay. It's not suffocating me. Good job. Huh. It don't have a sunroof. That's the only thing that I do want. This is interesting. I don't know. We're gonna drive and see. All right, we back. Still doing our cardio, aka walking through this hot sun in the dealership. But now I'm about to test drive. What is this? A Ford Flex. I like how it feels inside. You know, I go by vibes, so I like how it feels. I like the interior. It's actually 3 rows of seating, but you put those 3rd row down, that's your trunk. We gonna see how I drive and how it handles, but woo, baby. When I say I'm hot, I'm hot. This is actually 2019. If I like them, if I like how this handles, I'll go to the Ford dealership too to see, you know, to test drive some of the newer ones. We're gonna see how this one goes first. This is nice though inside. Only thing, it doesn't have a sunroof, but it got the middle console stuff that I want. But let's see. Okay, you know, you got to have a place for the vlog. The dash is what you call it, flat, so I can have a vlog camera there, because you know the vlogs must go on, so I can't have one of them curved dashes or the ones you got to stick to your window, because I don't like it. This is actually really big. It looks like it's a dealer warranty on here, and it's actually, the price is not bad and the miles is not bad. For 2019, it's only 26,000 miles on here, which is not bad at all. That's why I was asking him, was it a lease? But these are the Carfax in here, so I'll take a look at that and see, was it a lease vehicle or what? But yeah, we about to test drive this baby. See how it is. The other one I like, but it was too, I don't like, it's too big. I like cars that have space, but I want to be able to feel like I can still handle it. But then I don't want it so small that I feel claustrophobic in it, because hey, you know, I'm a big girl. I need space. I need space, but not like too much space where I feel like I'm driving a freaking military tank. So yeah, we're gonna test this out. He come with the keys, so I'm gonna check back in with y'all later. Finally made it back home. 4 shades darker, but it's okay. Cardio in. Woo! And I am thirsty. Had to get me a cold water. Shit. Sorry. Fun fact, I don't like cold water. Unless I'm hot. But the way outside set up right now, and it's 90 degrees plus, watermelon. Day in my life, shouting. Woo! Today was good. So I got my quote. They approved all my statements. I hurt my shoe. My phone like real cold. Anybody else have sensitive teeth? Anyway, but because I've never driven a Ford, had an American car, I'm gonna do my research before I make a final decision. Of course, they were sad. It was like, everything went so well. What happened? What changed? I said, nothing changed. I'm going to sleep on it. How do you know the car's going to be here? I said, if it's for me, it'll be here. People don't understand. I move by vibes. I move by energy. I move by faith. And faith don't see the things or don't line up with all the things that people say you have to have or do in order to move. I don't move by what the world moves by, okay? Before I went to the dealership, I said, I don't want to make a down payment, God. I wanted to trade in my car and give me a good price for it. And I want a reasonable monthly rate. All the boxes were checked. And I didn't want no issues with me being self-employed. Because sometimes these financing companies be acting up. Like, I still don't understand the world. In 2023, the year of our Lord and Savior 2023, they still asking people if you're a freelancer or something like that to provide. But, like, I don't understand why that's still an issue. The same with people that's content creators. Yes, people make money off the internet. Take their money. It's a proven business. In 2023, we still talk about this. I'm bored. I'm bored with that conversation. Why y'all still on that? Anyway, I digress. That too close to the rhyme. So they cut that too close. But yeah, I really like the car. I like the mileage on the car. For the year that it is. It's a lease car. I had one previous owner. I like it. But because it's not a Toyota, which is where I was, I'm going to go to the Ford dealership and see if I can test drive a couple of different ones. Because I'm just a firm believer in buying, not always, but I try to buy the brand car from the brand. So, like, I bought my Kia from the Kia dealership. And then from the Ford, I might as well go to the Ford dealership and see what they had to offer. You feel me? So anyway, basically, this watermelon is good. And it's blessing my soul. But I'm gonna talk with y'all later. I got some work I need to do. Thank you for spending the day with me. I'm not sure if I'm gonna come back because yeah, it's 3 o'clock now. I've been out all day. And I got some work to do because I was talking to clients, so I was waiting on the financiers. Anybody that's ever been to the car dealership, you know that process is a long process. But anyway, I'm excited for my next chapter. So if it works out, I have a new car this week. Yeah, that's what I'm feeling like. I'm feeling like I'm gonna have a new car this week. From where? We'll see, but it's gonna work out in my best interest. So let's chat later. All right, peace out, y'all.